Good evening. This is my last night in Dubai. I'm flying out tomorrow and I'm just going to sum up quickly my first 3 days in Dubai. Well, my only 3 days. 3 days, not much time to do everything, but this is what I ticked off. So day one, I bought a metro ticket, used that all day, 22 bucks, good value. You can use it unlimited times throughout the whole day. So got to the hotel, booked myself a tour which is through the Yellow Boats company. It's a 90-minute boat ride and it takes you right out on a loop and it takes you to see the Atlantis Palm. There's some big Ferris wheel or some wheel like the London Eye, the Burj Al Arab and the Jeremiah. So you can tick 4 things off your list in 90 minutes. So I went to the Emirates Mall, went to the Dubai Frame. I then booked a tour for the next day, which was through Oscar's Tours, sorry, and it took me to Sheikh Zayed Mosque. That was absolutely fantastic. I would highly recommend that you do that. And some sort of tour. There's lots to choose from. So mine included also a coffee at the Emirates Palace. Yeah, that place is flash. So that was a nice touch. Got a time for a few photos, and then we went to the Heritage Club, which is just where they're making carpets and little wee stalls. Of crafts, glass, all sorts of stuff. A couple of camels and some horses. Nothing to rave about there. Then we went to the Ferrari World. Yeah, not my cup of tea, but yeah, tick that off if you want to go to Ferrari World. And what else did we do? That was pretty much that for the tour. That took me to like 6 o'clock. Then at night time I did the Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall is the second largest mall in all of the world, and I did the Burj Khalifa, and that is the tallest building in the world. And I might just say level 148, that's the best ticket to buy. I had no line up to get in, no line up to get down, and it's kind of like on that floor, it's kind of like a VIP service. There's hardly no one on that floor, so it's very quiet, plenty of time to get your photos and whatnot. And on the same day we did the Dubai fountains. So in 2 days I smashed out pretty much everything I needed to do. And then on day 3, which was today my last day, I had a sleep in, or tried to, and I did a desert safari with Heritage Platinum. So that was awesome. Got a short ride on a camel. We drove in the desert on a 1930s, 1950s Rover. Nice Arabian dinner, and then we were taken home. So summing up, 3 days is not much time, but use the metro. It gets you around very easily. At nights I felt safe. I was out by myself until like 11 o'clock at night on day 2. First night was out not so late, but it was dark and I felt very, very safe. So if you're thinking about coming to Dubai as a solo single female, do it. It's a great place. And I'll just add on the Dubai metro. There's lady carriages, for ladies, women and babies, so make sure you take those. I felt really uncomfortable when I rocked up on the first day, and I didn't know they had women and baby carriages. I was sitting in a carriage full of men with a big backpack on, didn't really realise why they were staring at me, but then when I called it the second time I realised. So sum it all up, go to Dubai. It's a great place, and I loved it. So tomorrow I am off to Cape Town in South Africa.